How to remove recent searches on Messenger. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to remove recent searches on Messenger. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Messenger application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, to remove recent searches on Messenger, go ahead and tap on the search bar you see there, and under the recent searches tab, you will see all your recent searches. To remove them, tap on the edit button you see there. Here you will see all the people you have recently searched for. You can simply tap on the cross icon manually beside the individual's name whose search history you want to delete. However, if you have a lot of people in your search history and you want to clear them all at once, then you can tap on the clear all option you see there. In the confirmation pop-up that appears, tap on the clear searches option, and with this, the recent searches will be removed. So this is how you can remove recent searches on Messenger. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.